Yeah, thanks for that. Um, there's a myth that the banking industry is 10 years behind the digital world and that the insurance industry is 10 years behind the banks. To me, this statement is no longer valid for everyone. If you believe that your company is that far behind, it is not because of tech, nor because of regulatory issues. Tech has been out there for several years already, and the Insurance Commission has been beneficial in this industry's digital transformation. In fact, the IC has encouraged this for years now to help companies capture new growth opportunities and, more importantly, meet the need of larger, uninsured population for meaningful protection products without breaking the bank. Digital transformation is all about the mindset and making sure you choose the right tools to achieve it. In the past decade, there have been several emerging technologies that have made it possible. These are just some of the significant initiatives for every company to achieve digital transformation. There's cloud, API, big data, fintech, blockchain, and many others. Some companies are just getting to know these technologies and are figuring out how to implement them while considering the hold their legacy systems have in their overall ecosystem. Some have converted their manual forms into digital forms and then they consider them transformation already, forgetting the key reason why we do it in the first place. Let me quickly share with you my thoughts on digital transformation. There is a difference between digitization and digitalization. The former is about making it paperless, or as it's usually done, create online forms. The latter is about making use of digital tools to reshape the customer experience. Instead of just paperless, you tweak the overall experience to make it more efficient for your company and the customer. If you combine these key tech initiatives and build it the right way for this industry with the goal of digitalization, what you get is InsurTech. There is no doubt that the transition will pose several challenges, but digitalization is a necessary step for insurance companies to ensure alignment with the changing market and secure a strong, stable future in the industry. Those who refuse to migrate or fail to migrate fast enough will soon find themselves marginalized. Some companies go directly with API initiatives and expose their legacy systems via API to build new front facing customer journeys on top of it. Because of that, they're able to come up with online shops or even sell products to other marketplaces. Some invest in big data and try to make sense of their customer data. They start with analytics first and then use their learning before they do innovations. Some are born out of these technologies like Singlife. Because we didn't have the weight of legacy systems, we could build things as light as we can. A cloud first API driven ecosystem that utilizes fintech and blockchain to deliver enriched, event based protection faster and at a lower cost. Engineering wise, having all these technologies stack has made ideation to build more efficient. With our use of cloud technology, we were able to build our CI CD principles and implement a pure DevSecOps approach. With our API driven setup, we are able to build reusable components because we have established our microservice architecture to make sure our ecosystem is as lightweight as possible. Our core policy admin system is based on blockchain. It takes the functionality typically found in a legacy system and creates an object model on a blockchain. Because of this, we are able to stretch our products, customer experience, and business model. This allowed us to create an event triggered environment. We have implemented a dynamic interaction between smart contracts, databases, user interface, and operations interface. With the use of fintech, we only allow purely digital transactions from purchase up to claims. To share how fast we could build, ideate and build, we built our first product in just 3 months. When we started, we initially built a dengue protection product. We were supposed to launch it as soon as it was done, but when this pandemic happened, we thought about why would we launch a product that won't give our consumers immediate value? So with that thought, we quickly pivoted the product design and would now offer a COVID-19 rider protection. All in all, from the first design to the pivoted launch product, we built it in 6 months. And it was all made possible because of these emerging technologies. With the right tools and the right stack under our InsurTech, we are enjoying the benefits. We are enjoying these benefits and are able to achieve flexibility, speed, efficiency, scalability, affordability, and the most important one, personalization. Because of our approach, we're able to customize experience based on our target audience. Insurance customers today are not passive buyers. They're active participants, and their buying journey is already different from before, influenced by their demand for new levels of access and mobility. An end-to-end digital journey for customers also gives companies access to deep data, which can be used to tailor new products, improve operations, and build or strengthen brand loyalty. But before and beyond these tools, the key to success is having the right mindset. The first thing that any organization would need to do to achieve digital transformation is to reshape the culture. Before even investing in any technology, the first step is investing in the right people. Having the right people with you can get you to where you want to go. Is the insurance industry ready for this kind of disruption? And are Filipinos ready for this kind of protection? Based on my experience with Singlife, yes, we are a cloud born, mobile first, API and blockchain driven company, and that enables us to allow work on disruptive innovations. And based on the feedback we got from our customers, they are ready. Singlife customers are currently enjoying a purely digital end to end experience from purchase up to claims. I would end this note with saying invest in the right people, invest in the right tools to make it possible and accessible for everyone. Thank you, everyone. I have a slide that we can watch.
We totally get how complicated it can be to buy life insurance. The tedious manual processes, expensive prices, and complex products that just don't do what you need them to do. Singlife is a different kind of life insurance, and we're making things easier, more affordable, and more accessible for every Filipino. That's why we've teamed up with Gcash, the country's leading mobile wallet app. Together, we're promising no fuss protection. You can now access protection products on Gcash that are simple and straightforward, so you'll know exactly what you'll get. All you'll need is your Gcash profile. Zero forms required. Choose your coverage level and payment options. Pay using your Gcash wallet. Your next payments will be auto-deducted, so you won't miss a due date. Then in 3, 2, 1, you'll get your protection policy in real time. Plus, have the power to manage and access all your policy details without having to leave the Gcash app. Filing for your claims is just as simple too. It's all done within the Gcash app, and you get your benefits credited to your Gcash wallet within 24 hours. Really, everything is easy, everything is paperless, everything is affordable, and everything can be done with just a few taps on your Gcash app. See, no fuss, right? Sing Life and Gcash. No fuss protection.